Hello, and welcome to the Timer Pit, your home for educational and timer videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to use bit.ly.com to shorten and customize your links. Sometimes there is a link you want to share with either your students or in a presentation, but the link is just way too long. So bit.ly.com is the place for you to shorten and customize these links. So let's get to the video. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged in to bit.ly.com. So once you are logged in, this is what your screen will look like. To go ahead and create your bit.ly short link, I'm going to go ahead and click Create. On the side here, you can see you have the box to where you would paste in your long link. I've already copied it from the site that I am taking this from. So I'm going to go ahead and right click and click Paste. You can see how long this link actually is. Within a second, pretty much it will generate your little short link. You can see how short it is right there. Now if you want to change the back end of it, it says customize back half. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm just going to put the initials of my school and then CS for computer science. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. You can see here that it was changed. Now if you do this and you put something in and someone's already used it before, it will tell you, so you don't have to worry about that. I can put a title in here, so I'm just going to put computer science article. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So now on the side over here, I know what this short link is for. There's my short link right there. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and click Copy. And now I am ready to share my short link with my students, or if I'm giving a presentation, I can put this into my slideshow. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with future educational videos that will be coming soon.